Okay, let's see Londoner Casino, and it's, since the last time we were here, it's making a lot of progress, basically. So as you can see, there's still some construction right in the corner there, but actually this is mostly developed now, but there's still a lot more on the other side. So what we're going to be doing is going to be going into the inside, but I just wanted to show you a little bit from the outside at this time. So okay, just a little context. This is the Cotai Strip right there. Venetian is to the left. City of Dreams is over there. Morpheus is that kind of funky building, that giant thing in the middle. And City of Dreams is right next to it too. And then part of Londoner is St. Regis Hotel, Conrad Hotel, and I forget the name of the other two, but all four of them are hotels that are all connected to the Londoner. Little perspective, Venetian. Then you also have this, it's all Venetian too. And then you have this Londoner right here too. There we go. So yep, Cotai Strip and Venetian. Okay, so let's go check out the Londoner from the inside. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we just went through an outside part, and then there's the other side of Londoner, but you can't see it through the elevator, unfortunately. But you can kind of see it through that a little bit. So basically that tunnel, I was on the left side, and now I'm on the right side of the tunnel, right? And then you can also see a little bit more of the Cotai Strip. These are Four Seasons shops. Then you have Parisian down that way, and I think that's all part of London too. All that construction on the other side of the street. All right. Okay, so on the other side you can see part of the Venetian. And these are some shops that are between. Got some kind of interesting stuff down there too. Like that giant. I think those are Portuguese or maybe Spanish, but those are New World Explorers. Really interesting. And we're gonna go on inside. Then you can see Venetian as we go in through it. You can also see it on the other side as well. So maybe we'll, there's part of the Londoner. So that all leads down to the Londoner. I'm gonna come out on this side. So this is all Venetian right there. A little bit more of the Cotai Strip before we go into the Venetian. There's City of Dreams straight ahead. Morpheus is that kind of funky building. COD is City of Dreams. Some Londoner stuff as well. And let's go on into the more Londoner stuff. Let me explain that a little bit. So the Londoner and the Parisian and the Morpheus, sorry, London, Parisian and Venetian. There's the Londoner right there. All three of them are the same casino. So they're connected by a bridge, and then you can go into all three of them by, they're all connected, so you can go into all three of them. Anyways, this is a little bit of a mall area. It's quite busy today, and we're gonna turn the camera back on when we get into the heart of Venetian, but this is a little in-between area between Venetian, Parisian, and Venetian, which has a lot of shopping mall shops. Okay, stay tuned, we'll be back. Okay, before we get into the proper part of Venetian, I was wondering, kind of in this in-between area, and those are just really cool. Amazing, actually. Hadn't really noticed that before. But just to give you a little context, right over there is Parisian. So if you go straight down that way, it's Parisian. We're still kind of in between the three casinos. And then over this way is the two that separate in the two different directions. So that way is Londoner, and this way is Venetian. And we're going to turn off the camera again because we got about a 5-minute walk before we even get into the heart of the Venetian. Okay, we're still on our walk. For some reason the camera's says it's to the side. But anyways, I thought I'd kind of show you some of this in-between land before we get into the... So yeah, this is shared space between all three. Alright, so we're gonna turn this back on when we get into Venetian. I'll probably try to show you more. I think a lot of people want to see. It is after COVID now, but I'll tell you more about it when we get into Venetian itself proper. Okay, so now we're in proper Venetian. So Venetian is kind of marked with all these little things right here. This is where we came down. So this is the one that goes to Londoner. Actually, Londoner straight ahead, and then the other one is Venetian. Goes to both. So we're gonna just kind of show you a little bit of the Venetian, including these. So these little canals go everywhere. Chiquinha, chiquinha.